Hello friends, welcome to the iForex.Market YouTube channel. You're probably here because you do some trading, you've got some interest in trading, you want to learn how to advance your skill, increase your confidence, gain higher levels of performance, and for the most part, understand markets transparently. What you will find here is an advanced series of classes, courses, mentorship videos, the dissection of the market with a very resilient approach into delivering transparency, most importantly. So if this sounds like you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the flip side. But what you won't find here, my friends, is a reliance upon the candles or the historical nature of price action. So if you like the idea of having a higher level of performance and you can step away or wipe the slate clean of the retail approaches that you've done in the past, by all means, welcome aboard. We'll see you on the flip side. Step away from that price action. Otherwise, you might end up like my friend Dirt. Dirt says no to price action. See you on the flip side.